Let's assume it's Monday morning and you decided to wear something light shade bottom wear, maybe crisp white, soft beige or cheek cream. Today you decided to pair them with some fitted top and you thought it was a perfect top for today's vibes. But when you looked at yourself in the mirror and started feeling something is off, but you could not figure out what. The fit is looked fine, the color looked nice, but still you felt slightly uncomfortable, slightly conscious and somehow less confident the whole day in the office. If that sounds familiar, this video is especially for you. Because today we are breaking down the real office style mistakes women make with light color pants and more importantly, how to fix them in practical capsule wardrobe way. Also, we will discuss how a few strategic tweaks could let you wear light color pants and feel powerful, polished and secure throughout the day. So, let's get into it. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, The Style Equation. If you are new to my channel, just a short intro here. In this channel, we simplify fashion using logic, balanced and real-life practicality. Our focus is to create well-balanced look through thoughtful styling instead of blindly following trends. So let's continue with today's topic about how to style light color pants for a perfect office look. So we have divided this entire topic into 5 simple parts. In each part we will talk about one common mistakes that we unknowingly make while wearing or pairing light colored pants for everyday office. These are real practical mistakes that happen in daily life by anyone. And along with every mistakes, I'll also give you a clear, easy solution so you know exactly how to fix it. So instead of feeling confused every morning, by the end of this video, you will know what to avoid and what to choose with the confidence while willing to wear any light shade pants. Also, I have made similar kind of video about how to style black pants to create both casual and formal look with less time and effort. If you are interested, hit the link above or check the description below. So now, let's start with the first mistake. Let me start with something I notice very often while choosing the design of these pants which are skinny and overfitted. Many women wear light colored skinny jeans or fitted trousers with fitted t-shirts, tight sweaters like this to office. Also another design called white taper trousers styled with fitted top. On paper it sounds fine, but in reality, light shade color visually expands the entire look. When you combine that with a skinny or very fitted top wear, especially during summer days or in a bright environment like in office, it creates automatically uncomfortness and less confidence in subconscious mind, and we start feeling conscious throughout the day. Instead of looking polished, the outfits start looking slightly casual, slightly unbalanced. And here is the truth. It's not about body type. It's about the structure and design of this light shade pants which we chosen. With this design, when the bottom wear is light, it automatically attracts attention. So if the fit is too tight, the focus becomes awkward instead of elegant. So, I know the next question in your mind is how we can fix it. So, the answer is why to choose the design of these pants differently. For example, for office wear, choose straight fit loose trousers like this. Slightly tapered but not body fitted pants. Structured formal pants. Mild flare trousers or go with flared jeans or trousers. And then balance it with relaxed fit shirts. Semi-fitted top wear. Structured top like formal shirts, tucked it inside and pair it with belt. Even if we choose fitted top here, layer a thin blazer or waistcoat which can complete the whole look like this. The rule is simple. When the bottom wear is light, the structure should be loose, balanced and perfect fit. If the skinny pants create self-consciousness, at the same time, balance create confidence. Try this hack next time while choosing light color pants and share your experience in comment section. Now the second mistake, when we choose random light colors instead of standard light shade pants. And this is where many of us go wrong. Just because a color is light doesn't mean it belongs to your office wardrobe. I have seen many women wearing light yellow, mint green, baby pink Powder blue trousers for regular office days. They look pretty individually, or maybe that looks good casual wear, but they don't fit in daily professional look. And the reason is, office styling works best with neutral light shades, not with any random light shade colors. When we don't understand capsule wardrobe basics, we end up buying random light color just because they look attractive in stores. But later we struggle to style them. Trust me, earlier I also faced similar issue multiple times where I just buy an office pants with any random colors and trying to match them with my existing clothes. In the end, it doesn't even fit to anyone and just sit inside the wardrobe. Now let's talk about the solution. What are the standard light shades for office pants which we must keep in our mind while going for shopping? Stick with these light shades neutral color like white, off-white, cream, beige, light grey, etc. These colors pair easily with multiple tops, look mature and polished, reduce decision fatigue, create repeat outfit combination which will save a lot of time, energy and money. So as an example, I have shared few examples from Amazon which I personally like. If you are interested, please check the description below. If you ever felt confused every morning while choosing a top in your light pant, it's probably because the shades itself was not practical. Office wardrobe is not about variety, it's about choosing right decision, perfect color to create balanced and elegant look. Now mistake number 3, choosing the wrong design in light shade pants according to height. Now let's solve the design confusion properly here. For a short height women, sometimes they often choose ankle length skinny light pants thinking it will look neat like this. But sometimes it cuts the vertical line instantly and makes the body even look shorter. Especially for light color pants, it's visible clearly where the whole outfit creates an unbalanced look. So to solve this issue, choose high waist straight pants. If you want to see some reference, check the link below in the description. Choose slightly flared trousers, full length structured pants. Avoid that heavy bunching near ankles. And pair them with women's shirts tucked it inside. Slight V-neck top with vertical lining tops which will elongate and creates a height illusion to whole look and balance it properly. For taller women, we often see sometimes they wear loose light trousers with oversized top. This makes the frame look too wide and flat. So what is the solution here? Choose well-tailored straight or wide leg trousers which can define the waistline. Pair them with structured shirts or tailored tops. Remember always, balancing is the key. Light color should always look intentional, not oversized and casual. Next is mistake number 4, choosing wrong fabric for light color pants. You know what? Fabric matters more than you think, especially if we are buying light color pants. But this is where some women ignore the most. If light color pants are with thin and clingy fabric, then these are the biggest issue which we should avoid while choosing pants. Market research and customer feedback also shows that most women feel uncomfortable in white or beige pants because fabric becomes slightly transparent, it wrinkles too much, it clings while walking, it started losing shape after sitting. Then we often blame the color, but the real issue is with the fabric quality. So here solution is simple. For light color pants, choose pants which are medium weight with cotton fabric, structured polyester blends, crepe fabric, thick linen blends, formal fitting fabric. Always avoid very thin cotton, stretchy jeggings material and transparent summer fabrics. Light colors need slightly thicker fabric to hold structure, and structure creates that balance and authority. Next is mistake number 5, incorrect contrasting of light pants for office fit. Now let's discuss about the next styling mistakes which we often do. White pants with bright opposite dark colors like dark pink, neon green, very bright royal blue. Yes, contrast looks attractive in theory and for casual days, of course. But for office, it becomes too loud. Many women think white means pair it with any bold color. And that's where the imbalanced thought starts with. White is already high contrast by nature. If you add another very bright shade, the outfit starts looking event ready, not office ready. So, what should we do here? Pair white pants with soft ice blue color, muted olive green, powder blue sometimes, light brown shades, soft lavender color, or any pastel structured shirts. Choose subtle or muted tone instead of loud bright one. If you want depth, choose darker color but must be in neutral segments, not neon or overly saturated colors. The goal is simple. Choose colors which look sharp, not shocking, looks balanced, not bold for no reason. So, as we are now wrapping up the video, let's discuss what we learned today. Why skinny light pants don't create office balance? Why random light color confuse your wardrobe? Which standard light shades actually work? How design should change according to height? Why fabric quality is non-negotiable? And how to contrast white pants in the right way? If you ever felt conscious with white color pants, it was never about you. It was about choosing incorrect structure, shades, balance and fabric. Once you understand this style equation, you stop overthinking every morning. You stop wasting money on random pants and you start building a confident, repeatable office wardrobe. Because real style is not about buying more, it's about choosing right clothes which we can wear multiple times without any confusion. Now before closing this video, if you want, please share in the comment section what is your biggest struggle with styling light color pants. I'll happy to read and try to solve them. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe for more styling advice where I can help you to look balanced and feel you confident every time. Also, if you want to connect with me, please send me an email mentioned in the description with your query. I'll read and get back to you on that. Thanks for watching until now and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, stay smart and stay confident. Bye bye.